We already have a crazy styled compact hot hatch, the Honda Civic Type R, so why not go down a step and make a very aggressive supermini as well? The car in question is the new Peugeot 208, which has been given a rally-spec digital suit. Signed by LukaszMyszynski, the renderings give the subcompact hatchback a very sporty flair with a wide body kit. This consists of redesigned front and rear bumpers, wide fenders on all four corners, rear diffuser with central dual exhaust tips and a large tailgate-mounted wing. The roof scoop, modified hood, different side mirrors, competition wheeled shod and slick tires and roll cage complete the visual package. It would be interesting to see the next 208 GTI with a similar body kit, but that won't happen, obviously, as this is a WRC-inspired look. As for the next Volkswagen Polo GTI, Ford Fiesta ST and Renault Clio RS rival, it's thought to arrive next year with several technical updates over the regular 208 that will improve its cornering abilities. We don't know what will power it, but besides the usual ICE model, an electric variant could join the party. Regardless of the powertrain, it will be more agile than its predecessor, which is capable of hitting 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in 6.5 seconds and has a 143 miles per hour, 230 kilometers per hour, top speed. The outgoing iteration has a 205 horsepower, 208 PS, 153 kilowatts, and 221 pounds-to-foot, 300 Nm, of torque 1.6-liter turbo, paired to a 6-speed manual transmission.